Luxury is often mistaken for size, excess, and ornament. But the most luxurious homes in the world rarely shout. They whisper. Modern Scandinavian architecture redefines luxury by stripping away everything unnecessary, leaving only space, light, material, and intention. This is not about owning more, it is about feeling more. Calm, clarity, presence. This is why Scandinavian homes, though modest in scale, often feel far more luxurious than the grandest mansions ever built. From the very first glance, the facade sets a different expectation of luxury. Clean geometric volumes replace decorative excess. Natural wood, stone, and glass work together in quiet harmony. There is no attempt to impress through scale alone, only balance, proportion, and restraint. The architecture feels confident, timeless, and deeply intentional. This home does not dominate its surroundings, it belongs to them. That sense of belonging creates an immediate emotional comfort that no oversized mansion can replicate. The living room is not designed to display wealth, it is designed to support life. Open space, natural light, and seamless indoor-outdoor connections create a sense of freedom rather than formality. Every material is tactile and honest, wood that feels warm, stone that feels grounded. There is visual silence here, allowing the mind to rest. Unlike mansions filled with rooms rarely used, this space invites presence, conversation, and stillness. Luxury becomes an experience, not an object. In Scandinavian design, the bedroom is a sanctuary, not a statement. Soft textures, muted tones, and natural daylight create an atmosphere of deep rest. There is no excess furniture, no visual noise, only what serves comfort and calm. Floor-to-ceiling glass connects sleep with nature, reinforcing the rhythm of day and night. While mansions often overwhelm with grandeur, this space restores balance. Luxury here is measured in quality of sleep, not square meters. The kitchen reflects Scandinavian values of functionality and beauty in perfect alignment. Clean lines, concealed storage, and natural materials create a space that feels effortless yet refined. Everything has a purpose, and nothing competes for attention. This is a kitchen designed to be lived in daily, not admired from a distance. Mansions often separate luxury from usability. Scandinavian design merges them, making everyday rituals feel elevated and meaningful. The mezzanine introduces vertical openness without losing intimacy. Overlooking shared spaces, it reinforces connection rather than separation. Light flows freely, and architectural lines remain uninterrupted. This layered spatial experience adds depth without complexity. Unlike sprawling mansion layouts that isolate rooms, Scandinavian design creates visual continuity. The result is a home that feels expansive without ever feeling excessive. The bathroom transforms into a private spa through simplicity. Stone surfaces, soft light, and minimal fixtures create a ritual space for slowing down. There is no ornament, only atmosphere. Scandinavian luxury prioritizes sensory calm over visual drama. While mansions may rely on size and spectacle, this bathroom achieves luxury through restraint, silence, and balance. It is not designed to impress guests, but to restore the individual. The front yard is not decorative, it is intentional. Native plants, natural stone, and subtle transitions blur the line between architecture and landscape. Nothing feels forced or artificial. Scandinavian design respects nature rather than reshaping it. This quiet integration creates emotional comfort before one even enters the home. Mansions often isolate themselves behind gates. This home welcomes through harmony. The rooftop is a retreat above the noise of life. Minimal furnishings, open sky, and panoramic views emphasize space over spectacle. There is no excess entertainment, only room to breathe, reflect, and reconnect. Scandinavian luxury elevates perspective rather than status. Unlike mansion rooftops built to impress crowds, this space is designed for solitude and clarity. The working room reflects focus and mental clarity. Natural light, clean geometry, and minimal distractions support productivity without pressure. Scandinavian design understands that modern luxury includes mental well-being. While mansions often dedicate offices as symbols of power, this workspace exists to support flow, creativity, and calm. The backyard dissolves the boundary between home and nature. Glass walls open fully, extending living spaces outward. The design encourages slow moments: coffee, silence, conversation. Scandinavian luxury does not require extravagant landscaping, it requires connection. Mansions may show control over land, but this space shows respect for it. Modern Scandinavian architecture feels more luxurious than mansions because it prioritizes what truly matters: light, calm, proportion, and human experience. It replaces excess with intention and scale with serenity. True luxury is not measured in size or cost, but in how a space makes you feel every day. And nothing feels richer than peace.